Welcome to an oven cake and cookies. Today I am making 15-minute mini aloo puff patties. Crispy, flaky and filled with spicy potato stuffing. A perfect tea time snack that everyone will love. Let's start the recipe. In a bowl add 1 cup flour, 1 tablespoon oil, half teaspoon salt. Mix well. Mini snacks are perfect for parties and tea time. Puff patties are loved for their flaky layers. Add 1/3 cup water. And make a soft dough. Rub some oil and keep aside. Now prepare the stuffing. Take 2 boiled mashed potatoes. Add half teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon cumin, half teaspoon chat masala. Mix well. Now divide the dough into 7 portions. Roll each portion thinly. Roll dough thin for better layers. In a bowl, mix 2 tablespoons corn flour and 2 tablespoons oil to make a slurry. Now spread the slurry on each roti. Now layer them one by one. Place total 5 rotis. Layering creates the crispy texture. Fold as shown and roll again. Cut the edges and cut into pieces. Place the potato stuffing inside. Apply water at the edges and fold into triangle shapes. Potato stuffing makes them filling and tasty. Do not overfill the patties. Fry in medium heated oil until golden brown and crispy. Use medium heat for even crispiness. Seal edges properly before frying. Potatoes provides energy and fullness. Homemade snacks are more hygienic. You can control oil and spices. Fresh ingredients improve taste and nutrition. Your crispy mini aloo puff patties are ready. Serve hot with tea or sauce. Try this recipe and share your feedback in the comments. Follow Innovent Cake and Cookies for more easy recipes.